My name is Kelli Hannan. I'm from Shelton, Connecticut. And I had a total knee replacement about 2 months ago. I was in too much pain. Going to the gym, I would get there and halfway through a gym class, I would almost want to be in tears. It was starting to impede on my life. So I decided it was time. But then COVID happened. At St. Vincent's, I didn't have anything to worry about. They worried for me. Everybody had their masks on. Everybody was constantly putting their hands under the soap and wiping and making sure that they were clean. Nobody touched me without a mask or gloves on, which made me feel really good. I had the robotic assisted surgery, and I was very happy for that. It started with a CAT scan, and they took that and they designed it exactly to me. I feel like I have a personal knee here. First thing I said was, I don't want to feel any pain. Next thing I know, it was over. When they brought me up to the room, I got out of bed. I walked to my other bed. Within less than 24 hours, I was in with physical therapy, walking up and down stairs. That to me was unbelievable. Especially in this time of COVID, I didn't want to go somewhere that I was going to have to stay over a long period of time. I wanted to get in and out. I wanted the professionalism. I wanted just a team that was just going to work for me and my knee. And so that's why I chose St. Vincent's Medical Center. I received some flowers from my physician with a handwritten note thanking me for coming to St. Vincent's and for allowing them to take care of me. And it just showed to me that they were thinking about my visit from start to finish. It was the best thing I've ever done. Every day I get stronger and I can feel I can do anything.